What is up with y'all boys? Today I'm making a video on the M550. Today's video is about installing the yellow DRL lights. I already made a video on this, but I'm gonna make another video on it because the first video I made, it was at night and you guys didn't really see like how I installed it for real, you feel me? And yeah, so today I'm gonna make another video on it. Right now I just got my car at the shop, feel me? Boom, this light is white and this one is yellow. So now I'm about to make both of them yellow again. I got the little part right here that I'm about to install. So now I'm not gonna waste no time, but I get into this install right now. Car is already jacked up. Now I'm about to start taking, what is this called again? Whatever the fuck this is called, chat. I forgot. Our liner, I think it's called wheel liner. I don't fucking remember. Something like that. But I'm about to take these off. It's like probably like fucking like 15 screws on the here. I'm about to take off. I'm gonna take off the bumper, take the screws off the bumper to get to the headlights and shit like that. But yeah, now I'm about to get into it. Yes, sir. Boom. I'm back, boys. The bumper is off. As y'all boys could tell, I got it standing on that thing because I don't feel like taking off all of these wires and shit. The fender liner is off, the wheel is off, you feel me? Everything. I'm taking these trim pieces off, which is this piece right here. So we could get to these two screws on top. 1, 2. Feel me? Now I'm about to take this one off. And I'm about to get that light out. Catch y'all boys soon. Alright, boom. So I got those trim pieces off. Now you're gonna need a T30 to take the headlight out, to take the headlight, these screws out. You're gonna need a D30 to take these screws out for the headlight, for me. So there's 2 on top, and there's 2 under the car. So there's one right there, and the other one is right here. Okay, boom. So you just take those out, and the headlight should come out easily. Catch y'all boys when I'm done taking these headlights out. Alright, so I got my headlight out right now, for me, as y'all boys can see. I got it on a rag, because you don't want to break it. I'm gonna have to put this back on. I don't even know how the fuck this came off, but this is supposed to be right here for the top part. Don't worry about that. But I got these 3 tools right here. I don't know which one fit. We just want to go ahead and take this piece out. Okay, none of these fit. I have another tool over here. I'm pretty sure this one was gonna fit. Okay, so I have this tool. None of those fit, but I'm gonna need one of these soon. But I have this one right here. I honestly don't know what size is this. Honestly, just gonna take this little thing out, whatever the fuck it's called, module, whatever the fuck it's called, some shit like that. I'm gonna take it out right now, and I'll catch y'all boys when I'm done. All right, so now I got it loose. Got all the screws out. So now I gotta take this little thingy off. It's pretty easy to come off. For me, just gotta unclip it from this, and yeah. So now I'm about to do that. I'm about to unclip it, and I'll catch you boys when I'm done taking this off. All right, so I got it off. You feel me? Just like that. It's pretty easy. I think I'm gonna have to use the same tool. Yep. So I'm gonna use the same tool, and I'm gonna take this out. As you boys can see, I already have the yellow ones. You feel me? This one doesn't, but I got a pair, so I might as well just change all of them. You feel me? So now I'm about to take this screw out. As you boys can see, this is the right side. When you guys switching it, make sure you guys put the right side back on the right side. For me, boom. So now I'm about to take this out, and I'm about to switch over the new one onto this one. All right, so I got the headlight out and shit like that, as I showed y'all boys earlier. As y'all can see, this is the white lights, which I'm about to change right now. Feel me? Just want to show y'all that. So now I'm going to take the headlight out. Y'all gotta be gentle with this shit, because this is a very expensive part. This shit costs like about $1,500. This face headlight. Feel me? Boom. So I'm gonna let it sit right there. I'm gonna turn the lights back off real quick. Alright, so this is the part that we're gonna get to. I have this tool right here. Boom. It's 2 screws on each side. Just gotta take those out real quick, which I'm about to do right now, or which I'm doing right now. There's a screw right there. Hold on, I gotta put this over there. Boom, I got those 2 screws out. So now you're just gonna like pull it. So look, there's a clip right here, boom. You just press the back down. You feel me? And it should just snap off. Hold on. Boom, just like that. Now it's out. As y'all boys can see, this is white. It's supposed to be yellow like this, but it's white, so now we're about to change it. And yeah, there's a screw in the middle that you gotta take out to take this piece out, this little chip. Kind of like be gentle with it and just like take that shit out. And now we're about to get the new ones. Alright, so I got the new ones right here in the bag. They came today. I'm installing them today. No time to waste. Word. Wait, this doesn't show the size though. Hold on. Wait. How the fuck am I supposed to know which is right from left? So the right side has 3 on top. So I think this is the right side. Because it says 3 on top. 3. I'm just matching these up. Boom. And I think this is the left side. Yeah. Anyways, we're about to put this shit back together and try to see if it worked. Real quick. Don't want to make it too tight because it could break. It's a little chip. And I'm about to put this back on. Okay, so it's already on. I'm just gonna put this right here for now. And we're gonna turn the light back on. That's good. Just gonna test it. See if it works. Oh shit, I actually gotta put it inside. Oh shit. Yes sir. Boom. And that's it. So now I gotta put this back together, put the lights back on, and I'm gonna do the other side. But before I do the other side, I'm just gonna put these screws back in real quick. Make sure that shit is tight and tight. Alright, boom. Yes, sir. That's how we looking. So now I'm about to do the other side right now. As y'all boys can see, this side is not done yet. This is it right here. So now I'm going to put this back on it. Here. And then plug this side back in. Shit is like really short, bro. I swear to God. Wait. Why is it not coming on? I'm confused. Oh, there we go. I got scared for a second. Boom, just like that, boys. And the job is now done. Look. Yup. Got both sides done. Both sides is now done. Feel me? This one looks cleaner because it's a newer headlight. This needs to be clean. But yeah, I got both sides done now. Yellow V braces installed. We're bringing the look back. Bringing the old look back. Alright, so now I'm about to put everything back together. You feel me? I think that's it for today's video. Everything is supposed to be easy to put back together. Once you take everything apart, everything's supposed to be easy to put back together. Yeah, so if this video was helpful, make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? Turn on post notification. Word. Peace out, boys. Later.